So this is the marina that I kept the boat in for a few days. Today there is a town fair or something going on in Samnanger, but I'm still heading out. The weather is beautiful and we are heading this way. So just motoring out the cup now, and now I'm going to turn into the wind and set the sails. This spot here is called Utskott. It's a beautiful little place. We are heading out the fjord, and as you can see, there's not going to be much sailing. On the other side here is Rolfsvågen. That is a fjord called Fjord, and this is around this key, that's Utskott. Behind there we go into Samnanger. So I'll just focus on enjoying the ride, I guess. Catch you up in a bit. Well, I found the tiniest little bit of wind, so I put up the sails and turned off the engine. We'll see how far it's going to take us. The sails are easy to tuck away if I don't find it sailable anymore, so yeah, nice. So we are taking our way up. We got some wind. I've reefed down the sails a bit because around these bends and hills and so on, you really get some gusts coming off there at times. So I put first reef in the main, and I rolled up some of the Genoa just to make the tacking easier and to have a little less power in the sail when I get close to shore, because sometimes it picks up right before you're going to make your tack, and then it's very forgiving to have a smaller sail and a little bit less speed. But the sailing is good, so we'll continue. It looks like there is going to be wind for the rest of the trip, so let's hope that works out. We have had great success with the wind out. We have been tacking and tacking and tacking, but the winds have been rather stable and good. And by the looks of it, I can actually, if I'm lucky, I can actually make this tack work. So I get far enough up in this direction to get out this cut. But then I'm really lucky. So we'll see. We are heading out there and across and down fjord on the other side here. So yeah, it is looking good. The wind is wearing quite a bit in this fjord, so you have a curve going across. So you just set the sails on some half watt decent, and you adjust the course to fit. So that's my trick for getting in and out of fjords. So I'll focus on the sailing now. To see here, you go quite close to the shore side before you tack. So yeah, so we are trying to make the best of it. I'll focus on sailing now. I didn't make it in one tack. I needed to make an extra set of tacks, but now I've gone through this sound, and as I came out here the wind has started veering. So you can see my course has altered from in the center of this cut to, yeah, quite a bit. But this is a little town called Boge, and this key sticking out here. It's a nice place, but there is some skerries here, and I was not sure I was going to clear those, and on this stack, so I was fearing I would have to make another one. But now it seems like the wind is going to carry me past all of it. If we go down this cut here, that is a really nice little fjord. I've never been in there, but I've driven past it many times. That is fjord, and there is a lot of small islands there. Holme is a Norwegian word for small island, so that's why it is named what it is, because there is a lot of small beautiful little islands in there. Perhaps I'll go in there and anchor sometime. We'll see. But now I need to alter my course because I'm heading into this direction, so I'm going past the next key. But the wind is supposed to be favorable for going down there, so I'll attend to the sails right now and we'll see what happens. Well, that didn't take any time at all. So I just had my lunch and had a cup of coffee, and yeah, around this key I need to dock the boat, so I need to start packing away sails. But it has been a good sail. So yeah, guess it's time to start furling the head sail, and I will sail into the little bay outside my marina and drop the main there. So yeah, a nice sail. See you next time.